children, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning all of you. Today I am here with English, okay? But you all know what all the 26 letters, both mama letters and baby letters, and its sound also. So what shall I do? What shall we do? Okay, I'll give you some pictures and their names. Just to try to read only. Okay? Ready? Okay, I will give you the first. Look at here. First picture is here. Yes, this is a picture of an ant. We all know that this is the picture of an ant. Ant. Okay? Shall we write the name for reading? Okay? And tell me the first sound of the word ant. What did you hear first? Yes, a, then an, okay, ant, yes, T is come, right? Ant. See children, I'll show you the next picture for you. What is it? Yes, this is the picture of a bag. Bag. Say once again, bag. Tell me what is the first sound of bag? Yes, b. Right? Shall we write b there? B. Ba. Then what will come next, you know? Ba. A come here. Okay, after b, a. So together, ba. Ba. Then bag, g. What is the next sound? G. Okay, g for g. What is the letter? Yes, G. Okay, b, a, bag, bag. Okay, bag. Once again, read it. Bag. Okay, that also finished. Shall we read the next one? Okay, first I will show you the picture. Yes, here, picture of a cap. Cap. What is cap? Yes, wearing here, that is cap. Cap. What did you hear the first sound? Cap. K, no? Cap for K. First sound is K. We know two K's, but here the letter C. K for C. Okay. K, then K. K. Then what will come next? K. A come here next. Okay. K, A, K. Cap. What is the next one? Next letter. Next sound. Cap. Yes. P. Next sound is P. Cap. How to read it? Cap. Okay. Shall we move to the next one? Yes, look at here. Picture of a net. Yes, net. Net. Once again, net. Net. What is the first one? First sound starting with N. Ne for N. Then we want to read ne. For ne. Yes. E. Let sound A. A. Ne. For A, we use E. Okay, letter E. A. Ne. Then net. Net. What is the next sound? Net. T. T. Yes. T for T. Yes. T. Net. A. Ne. T. Net. Okay. Then move to the next one. Very easy, no? You just try to read, okay? Next, the picture of a, yes, our body part, leg. What is it? Leg. Leg. What will come first? Starting with L. Yes, L. Leg. Le. For a, letter E. leg. G. Yeah, we already read bag, no? For G we use which letter? G. Leg. Okay, leg. Okay, the next one. Yes, this picture of a whose house is this? One animal's home, that is den. Okay, lion's home, den. Den, we want to read den. Okay, den, what is the first starting with which sound? D. D. Den, d. Yes, D. D comes first. D. 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 A. Okay, D. A. D. N. Den. Yes, N. D. A. D. N. Den. Okay, we read den also. Then shall we move to the next one? Yes, the picture of a pin. Pin. Okay, very easy to write, no? Pin, yes, starting with P. Yes, P, P. For P, E sound will come. For E sound, which letter? I. Okay, P, E, P. Then pin, last sound, N. Yes, N also there. Pin, P, E, P, N. Pin. Okay, then move to the next one. What is this? Yes, it's a picture of a lid. What is it? Lid. Lid. What will come first? Li. Okay. Li for E. Okay. E. Lid. D. Okay. Lid. Lid. Okay, move to the next one. Ready? Okay, it's very easy. Okay, the picture of a kit. What is it? Kit. Kit. Here, do you know which k comes here? Yes, here is K. Okay, K. Key. Yes, kit. For kit, key. What comes next? E sound will come. K, E, key, then kit. T will come next. Okay, kit. Okay, move to the next one. Okay, picture of a box. 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 How to write a box? What will come the first? B. B come here. B. Bow. Bow. Yes, O will come here. B. O. Bow. Yes, X comes next. Okay, B, O, box. Box. Very easy. The next one, what is this? This is a picture of a log. What is it? Log. Marakashnam. Log. Okay. Low. Yes, L. Low. Next, O. L-O. Log. G for, yes, G. Log. Log. The next one is, yeah, for cleaning, yes, that mop. What is it? Mop. Mop. Yes, mo, yes, O, O, mo, mop. Yes, P comes last sound. Mop. Okay, shall we move to the next one? Okay, the next one, yes, picture of a bus. Bus. Bus, for bus, starting with the B sound. Okay, B, ba, ba, a sound will come next. A. For a, which letter will come here? Yes, U, the sound of the letter is U. B, a, ba, bus. S come here. B, a, ba, is bus. Okay, two more pictures. Okay, next one, cup. Picture of a cup. K, which k will come here, you know. C will come here. For k, C will come. For k, ka, a, k, a. Okay, k, a, cup. P. What will come here? P. Okay, k, a, ka, p, cup. Okay, the next one is, our small house. What we call that? Hut. What is it? Hut. Hut. Ha. 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 Sound. For that sound, which letter comes? Yes, H. 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 Ha. Ha. U. Yes, A sound will come. H. A. Ha. Hut. T. T comes here. H. A. Ha. T. Hut. Okay, that also over. Oh, children, we read many words with help of pictures. Okay? It's very easy to read. You just try to say the sound and connect the sound. Then you can read it easily. Okay? Now we have, see, look at our book, textbook. There are so many words. Shall we just try to read all that words? With the help of our sound. Okay? Only use the sound for reading. Okay? Only use sounds for reading. But you don't want to by heart these words. Don't want to by heart. Kanada padike vanda. Okay? Just try to read these words. Try to say the sound and read these words. Okay, shall we do it? See, children, our textbook page on the screen. Shall we read one by one? Okay, you just try it. I am also reading, okay? Along with me, you also read it. Okay, first one. We already read that word. Ant. Ant. Okay, the next one. X. Axe. A also there, but we don't want to pronounce, we don't want to say the sound A. Just read axe. Okay? The next one, yes, man. Then bag. Cap. Then the two g together make one g. Okay? Egg. Then net. Leg. Den. End. The next one, ink. Pin. Lid. Dip. Kit. Next one, ox. Box. Log. Mop. O, coat, coat. Then up, up. Bus, bus. Cup, cup. Sun. Hut. Oh children, we read all the words. Can you read that? You just try and read, okay? You don't want to by heart this. കാണാതെ പഠിക്കണ്ട, you just try to read only, okay? In our base 2 class, starting with this topic, okay? 3-letter words topic, okay? No need of by heart, you just try to read, but you use only sound for reading, okay? We finish the topic English. The next class onwards you will get revision of this class, okay? Revision of this topics, okay? See you the next class. Bye bye.